Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to my dear students of nursery class. How are you? Hopefully you are fine and doing well. Today is 2nd May 2025 and day is Friday. It is Friday today and Friday comes after Thursday. Let's revise our previous lesson. It was B. B sounds B. B, bear. B, bat. B, bee. B, book. B, blue. And B, balloon. Now let's see our today's lesson. It is C, K. C sounds K. C, K, cow. C, K, carrot. C, K, cow. C, K, carrot. अस्सलामुअलैकुम एंड वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स। कैसे हैं आप सब? उम्मीद है कि सब ठीक ठाक होंगे और बहुत खुश होंगे। आज है 2 मई 2025 और दिन है जुमातुल मुबारक। पिछला हमारा लेसन था बे। बे का साउंड है ब। बे ब बस्ता, बे ब बल्ला। ये हमने पिछले लेसन में पढ़ा था, बे ब बस्ता, बे ब बल्ला। और आज का हमारा लेसन है बे ब बकरी, बे ब बतख। बे ब बकरी, बे ब बतख। मेरे साथ पढ़ सकते हैं, बे ब बकरी, बे ब बतख। बे ब बस्ता, बे ब बल्ला, बे ब बकरी, बे ब बतख। Assalamualaikum and very good morning to my dear nursery class. How are you? Today is 2nd May 2025 and it is Friday today. It is Friday today. Friday comes after Thursday. Now let's see our previous lesson. And our previous lesson was two cars. Two. We write two like this. Two cars. One, two cars. And now we'll see our today's lesson. This is three. This is three. We write three like this. One, two, three. Three. Three teddy bear. Three teddy bear. Three teddy bear. Three